Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Sururi.
And my name is Rizky Akbar Handani.
Today, in this video, we talking about
Causes of strange noises in motorbike engine and poor braking.
So, let's this video.
Lately, my motorcycle has been making strange noises from the engine, like a rattling, tack 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 sound. What could be the cause?
Things. When was the last time you changed the oil? Sounds like that are often due to poor lubrication.
Oh no! To be honest, it's been a long time since I changed the oil. But can oil issue cause such strange noises?
Absolutely. If the oil is low or of poor quality, engine components will rub against each other harder. Also, check the timing chain or the valve adjustment. If the settings are off, they can cause that kind of noise too.
Alright. The mechanic mentioned something about the valve adjustment yesterday. What happened if I don't fix it soon?
That's risky. The engine could overheat or even get permanently damaged if left unattended for too long. And if the components are worn out, the repair cost could be quite high.
Whoa, thanks for the info. By the way, my rear brake is not working well either. It feels like something's wrong.
That's important too, Budi. Check the brake pads first. If they're worn out, the brakes won't work properly. If it's not had, it could be an issue with the brake line or low brake fluid.
What happens if the brake pads are worn out?
If the pads are completely worn and you keep using them, the brake disc or drum could get damaged. The repair cost will be much higher than just replacing the pads.
Oh no, I'd better get to the repair shop right away. The strange noise and the brakes can't wait any longer.
Yes, don't delay, Budi. A well-maintained motorcycle not only feels better to ride, but also keeps you and others safe.
You are absolutely right. Thanks a lot, Andy. I'll take care of it right away.
No problem, Budi. Hope your motorcycle get fixed soon.